The second etude for the all-state audition is number 32, Allegretto, from the same book, the Ferling 48 Famous Studies. This one is marked at a dotted quarter note equals 66 to 72, and only measures 1 through 32 must be prepared. I've practiced it with the eighth note, three eighth notes to a measure. So I've been practicing it starting at about 98 is an eighth note, and I've moved it up as fast as I could get it for this performance. One little item that I think we should discuss is the third line, the first measure, second measure, and third measure. They have an eighth note trill and then 4 16th notes. You can only, at a fast tempo, you can only get in one wiggle on the trill, and it's going to be kind of like this, slow motion. That's about all you're going to have time for when it's going. So I wouldn't worry about trying to make that trill too long. That's a common error with kids when they're working these up. They see trill and they think it should be a lot longer. That's really all there is, and then the rest is just playing it slow and making sure all the articulation is correct, and then kind of adding your own dynamic markings, because it just says forte at the beginning and then forte on the third line, so you can probably add some dynamics to give it some contrast. And that's about all there is to that. Also, the 12 major scales, 2 octaves, for the exception of our G scale, our F sharp scale, and our A scale. They can be 1 octave. The rest have to be 2 octaves and memorized, plus the chromatic scale. If you have any more questions or anything that I can do for you, please feel free to call me at 575-621-0281 or email me at romanchip@gmail.com. If you'd like me to send you a copy of a scale sheet, I'd be happy to do that for you. So good luck with the auditions, and hope we get to go to school sometime real soon. Thank you.